when I learned he passed away, I was, of course, shocked. Actually, I cried for the first time for someone, I don't really know personally. I'm the person who believed everything is possible and I achieved all my dreams so far, but I said to myself there is something impossible in this world because I've lost him. One morning, idea came to me, and it's impossible to do this project with him, but still possible to do it for him. So that's the moment I decided to do this project for him as a tribute.
Once a time, they nearly might have been bones and oogie on a silver screen. No one knew what they could do except for me and you. They slip away